Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do question number 1 to 1 from Leetcode, which is best time to buy and sell stock. I hope you guys are doing well and learning each and every day. So yeah, let's see the question first. So this is easy level question. Okay, so let's read the question first. You are given an array prices where prices I is the price of given stock on the ith day. So we have one array and elements of that array is the price of that day. Okay, so we have the price named array. Okay, you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing different day in the future to sell that stock. So what we have to do, we have to maximize our profit by um, purchasing on a single day and selling that stock on the other day. Okay, so and return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So we have to return the maximum profit we can make from that array. Okay, so let's suppose on day 1 I am purchasing any stock of worth let's suppose 10,000, and after 3 days I am selling that at 20,000, and next is 30,000. So we will check where we are making the most profit. Okay, on when we are selling at 30,000, that day we are making more profit, so that we have to return. Okay, so here our goal will be to minimize the purchase. The we have to minimize the purchase and we have to maximize the selling. Okay, so the selling cost we have to maximize and the purchase cost we have to minimize. Okay, so let's see one example. Okay, so here I have taken the same example which is given here, 715346. Okay, let's see how we are going to do. So we are going to do it in O of n only, iterating over this array, and we will be getting the answer in time complexity of big O of n. Okay, so this will be our time complexity. Good. Next, how we are going to do is like we will take the min cost price CP. Okay, and then one we will take max selling price. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, so minimum we will take the max value of integer, max value, max integer. Okay, and maximum we are initially we are taking at 0. Okay, now let's move. So when on first day we are uh, let's suppose we are purchasing at 7. Okay, and so we will take the minimum of this and this, minimum of this and this, which is if we have this ARR, then ARR of I. So because we have to minimize between the cost price and the what minimum cost price we have uh, stored. Okay, so as we will move forward, we will compare. 1 minute. If I am coming here, so here again I will compare with this ARRI and whatever the minimum I have with that, and whatever the minimum we will get, we will store in this minimum CP. Okay, that we can do it this by math dot min of this. Okay, next, maximum selling price. What will be the selling price? Let's suppose I am purchasing any uh, any stock then what will be the selling price? Selling price will be ARR of I minus, can I say this as the whatever the cost price I have, that much. Okay, so this will be my selling price. Cool. So what the cost price I got, okay, and if, let's suppose if I am selling at this value, then we will get the maximum. Okay, so this maximum we will store in max selling price by using math dot max of this. Let's suppose this is k, this is k, then k and max. We will return k, sorry, max sp. Again, one more time I explain. Let's think, you purchased on this date, which is 1, this date you purchased. Okay, and if you have to sell, on which date you will be selling to make the maximum profit? I think on this one date, on this date, right? On this date I will be selling. So how much will be the sell profit? The profit will be, what will be the selling price, which is ARR of that I minus whatever the minimum we have got so far. Okay, and minimum is the same, this minimum. Okay, because the cost price we are recording each and every time, we are keeping the minimum cost price, so that minimum we will subtract. So the maximum minus minimum will give us the maximum profit. Got it? Yeah, so let's do the coding part. Okay, here int n, I'm taking the length of array. Okay, int min, I am taking 1. Integer dot max value, max integer value we will take. This is a good practice. If you have to take any minimum, then take the maximum integer, the maximum limit. Okay, int max I'm taking as 0. Minimum CP I'm taking, cost price, and maximum profit is 0. Okay, now I will iterate over the array. Min CP, the minimum we will store. So math dot min of, oh sorry, not ARR, prices of I and min CP. Between two we will check. Okay, the max let's suppose int k is the profit. Each time we are selling and we are making k the profit, is the profit, which is prices of I minus min CP. Okay, so this is the profit we are making each and every time. So what was the price in that, what is the price of that day? If this, suppose this is the day, whatever the price of this day minus whatever the minimum uh, cost price we have recorded, that we will subtract. Cool. Next, take the max profit. Max profit is equal to, sorry, is equal to math dot max of max profit and k. And in last, we will just return max profit. Let's run this code. It is accepting. Okay, cool. Let's submit this. Yeah, it accepted. Okay, so this was the code. Just see here. I think this is very easy. This the concept. Even concept is also very easy. Just look into this code and try by yourself. Okay. See you again in the next video. By the time, take care. Bye bye.